Hi everyone, this is the December edition of Curleebox unboxing. So we're going to get straight into it. So you've got the card, you see this is still sealed. I'm just going to now rip it apart and see what goodies we have in here. Oh, okay, I can see goodies that I've used before. So hopefully, oh, okay, it's looking a bit busy in there, looking a bit busy. So the first items I can see here are these. And this one is from Aunt Jackie's. This one is the intensive repair conditioning mask, which I need badly because my hair does need a lot of work. And it's got flaxseed, and also it's got flaxseed, the recipe says here. And so let's have a look through. Repair beyond compare. Aunt Jackie's special blend of flaxseed and avocado and coconut oil is used to help repair damage, stop breakage, soften, shine, moisturize, and condition dry, brittle, wiry hair. So that's the first one here. You've got a full size. That's great. And then you've also got the next one, also from Aunt Jackie's. And that is, my son is removing for some reason. And that is this one here. This is the curl mane. This is for defining curl whip. Superior curl definition in a lightweight formula, gives definition, shines, softens, and moisturizes. Curls great for wash and go styles, protective styling, and any hair type in need of long lasting moisture. Woo! Massive claim, massive claim. So there you have it. Defining curl whip. Great, nice smell, by the way. All these, I've used these before, and I discovered this brand from actually Curleebox as well. Next, we have got some sample stuff here. This one is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. So you got a small sachet there, one time usage. I don't know if that would be enough for my hair. Probably not. Then you've got a little bowl and container here, which is just, I believe it's just for you to put your product in there, mix it all together, and do whatever. So that's that one here. Great. I need one of these little bags actually, so they come in really handy. I'm making some smelling stuff, so I need these bags. Great. So something for free. And it's got some spoons in there, measuring spoons as well. Another one, which is a sample usage sachet thing, but you've got two here. This is a curl control definition pudding. Pudding, people, pudding. Yeah, like pudding. And it has here for mixed textures, curly hair, wavy hair, kinky, coily, frizzy. So you've got multi-usage there, and I think that's about it. Curl definition pudding. Yeah, so you got two. That's great. So I've never heard of this brand as well. It is from the brand called Beautiful Textures. So I have personally, I've never heard of them, so I cannot wait to try it out. Great, sounds really good. And then I've got two other products in here. Yes. Oh, okay, this one. First, this looks really interesting. Ooh, I like the sound of this. This is Flora and Curl Botanical Healthcare, so natural products with Jasmine Oasis Hydrate Me. So Flora Hydration Hair Mist, Replenish Moisture. So let me read it from the card because I'm trying to squeeze and squint my eyes and have a look at this, but we'll read it from here. So hydrate your hair with a botanically active fusion of floral essences. Ooh. Hair transforms from dry to softened with a therapeutic spritz to activate your kinks and coils daily. Whoa, therapeutic. All right, okay, I cannot wait. In fact, I'm gonna smell this at first and see what it smells like. I'm hoping that it smells gorgeous. Okay, well, I smell this, and if someone wants to sniff at my hair, I don't mind letting them do it because why? It smells gorgeous. Okay, so next one is this one as well. That looks really interesting. Curl Refresh Clay Wash. Okay, I'm not necessarily into the clay wash stuff because although I like natural products, they take a little while and I find it a little bit messy, but I will give it a try. Let's see. Not looking forward to wash day? You will with this Cut the Wash Day time in half with the unique 2-in-1 purifying and conditioning clay wash. Cleans the hair naturally without stripping it of essential moisture. So nice. And instructions wise, oh god, let's have a look at the instructions. Ingredient directions: in a small bowl. Oh yeah, hence this, yeah, you put it in here, mix it into a paste, and slap it on, slap a dash into your hair, and then obviously wash it out. And you do it every 3 to 4 weeks. Every 3 to 4 weeks, people, and you'll be able to get rid of all the impurities out your hair whilst your hair still retains its moisture. My son is looking at me thinking, Mum, please can you hurry up and get off, because he wants to cough and scratch his backside. Not really, he doesn't. And worst of all, he can't really move because otherwise he'll move the camera. That's the lot. I'm actually really happy with this lot. I have no idea what the total value of these items are, but I will let you guys know at the end of the video, so you'll be able to see the value. Now, this is the final edition of 2018 of Curleebox. I have enjoyed this subscription. It does cost £23.95 or 90 pence with a delivery included in there. Generally speaking, the value for this is not like others where you get, you spend 20 something pound and then you get, 50, 60 quid. No, the average price is around £36. It is certainly below £40. So when you look at money wise, it's not great. However, sometimes they've got brilliant products which are not even available yet in the UK. They'll always try different avenues. The only thing that they don't usually have too often are shampoos, but I've got some shampoos already, so I'm not too unhappy with that. But I certainly will be making full use of these products, and I cannot wait to try this one here. Spray, spritz, and soften the hair. I mean, I can't wait to try this one out. My daughter's hair, that girl does not like to comb it, so I cannot wait to give it a try. As usual, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed it, let me know about subscribing. Let me know about commenting. I really appreciate it. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to press the notification button so you know when I've uploaded. As usual, bye.